Oh, another crash.
Another drink time. Another time. Look at another drink.
Go right in between the log and
Should I hit it?
if you can, push away from it. Oh, we're gonna hit it.
You're good drink.
Oh look, ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals 4. Oh, so the cow from the egg.
Think it's gonna jump in? There's another one there.
That one.
Watch your head, Savannah. Savannah, watch your head.
Go that way. Go that way. Go. Gina.
Right, wait there. Let's push away. There we go. That was close, wasn't it?
I like jumping. Huh? I understand. He's saying help.
Think you're saying help?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one duck. What's he doing? Let's go and have a look at him. That one there.
That one on the log.
Yeah.
Go see her baby. Should I touch it?
Nah, don't touch it.
Why?
It might bite.
Good. Your bird.
What's he doing? Just chilling by himself.
Wow.
Watch your head, Savannah. Watch your head. Here we go.
Nothing can hit my head at all. Boom! Boom! Here, duck. Back! Go that way. Go that way. And go that way.
Right, we're gonna crash again.
Okay.
Oops. Savannah, this is not very good driving. This is not very good driving.
It's not driving. It's pedal.
Pedal?
Yeah.
It's not very good pedaling, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try again. Right, look at this way.
That way. And then go fly. I want my fish. I want my fish.
I'll let you do the manoeuvring now, Dean, because I don't want
Should we go back? What are these? No, you've got to move that one behind you. Right, sit down please. You're going to fall. Savannah, you're going to fall. No, push someone behind you. Gina, Gina, can you go in the middle please? Gina, go in the middle. We're going the wrong way, we want to go forward. Yeah, yeah. Right, sit down, Savannah. Stay sat down. Right, take your paddle out. There you go. Was that good?
No.
That was a little bit fun.
Yeah.
It was fun, right, Gina?
No. Just kidding. It was.
Right, I'll come this way.
So much fun in the boat. Can someone hold these?
Right, put this down there. Legs. Be careful. That's one. That's two.
Number two. The kite.
Wait there. That one.
And hang it up.
And that one. Take it off. Jacket. Take a coat. Gina, take a coat. Take a coat. My hands are completely full. Perfect. Thank you so much. Cheers, see you later. We're going to see these tents. Let's go and look at these tents.
Should we go inside? Let's see what's inside, yeah?
I don't know if we're allowed to go inside.
Let's see if anyone's home. Yeah? Let's see if there's anyone home, yeah? Hello? Is there anyone in that tent?
Where's the front door?
Huh?
Where's the front door?
I know. Here.
Oh, there's the front door.
Should I open it?
Knock it first. Does it open? No, it's
Can
closed.
go in.
I don't think we'll have to go in.
No, people. Those are the people who were in the lake.
Hey?
Those, you know those people who were in the lake?
Yes.
These are their tents.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Maybe they're camping.
Let's just have a quick look in there. Yeah?
What have you found? How fast the water's coming.
Well, that's the water that we were in.
Right, shall we get going then?
Yeah.
Huh?
Isn't that really cool that is?
Yeah.
Bye, boys and girls. See you later.
Can we go home now?
Yeah?
Come on then. Can we go home?
Do you want to do something? Come.
Let's go and get some food.